It's unboxing season in America, the Christmas holidays, and I can't wait to show you what I received in a surprise shipment of millinery supplies.
In the summer of 2008, I worked as a freelance costumer and pattern maker in New York City.
I had gigs with Shakespeare in the Park, a Broadway costume house, and a contemporary millinery brand, Cha-Cha's House of Ill Repute.
In this video, I'll share the unboxing of a surprise donation of supplies from Cha-Cha's recent studio cleanout. Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse, where I share tips, techniques, and peeks behind the scenes from almost 30 years working as a costume craftsperson.
I've stayed in touch with hat designer and milliner Dina Pisani since I worked for her in 2008. And my Cha-Cha hats are some of my absolute favorites. When she reached out about moving her studio to a new location
and asked if I wanted a donation of hat making supplies for my millinery students, I was thrilled. I didn't need to know what she'd be sending. Whatever dead stock and retired trims were no longer useful for her business, I'd be glad to receive.
A month later, 2 large boxes arrived. Opening them felt like Christmas morning. What did they contain?
I can imagine the haste of moving an entire studio to a new location. That these boxes had been packed until full with surplus supplies, sealed and sent. I decided to sort the contents into categories and then determine what to do with it all.
The shipment included a substantial quantity of hat bodies, the felt and straw shapes from which blocked hats are made.
The boxes contained a selection of capelines, flares, and hoods. If those words mean nothing to you, check out this video. It also included a random selection of what I'll call notion stock.
Elastic, twill tape, soutache braid, bias tape.
These will definitely get used up.
Also exciting, the spool ends and remnants of fancy ribbons, woven and braided trims, and other cool stuff probably used to decorate hats. This hexagon box contained the biggest surprise of all. A specialty material I haven't seen since my first millinery class in 1992, French elastic. It's a bias-cut strip of lightweight tarlatan fabric used to cover the wires in a buckram hat foundation. French elastic is still available for purchase.
Although theatrical shops where a milliner is just one member of the entire costume studio staff,
bias tape is often used in place of French elastic
because it's a stock staple used for many other purposes in garment making. I hope you've enjoyed unboxing this fantastic millinery donation with me. Check out Cha-Cha's hat designs at the link in the description to this video, and have a happy holiday season.